kitchen tools. It says kitchen tools. Let's see.
Yeah.
Oh, what do we got here?
Oh, it's cupcake maker.
They're silicone, which is awesome. Ooh, measuring cups.
Oh, that's cool.
Ooh, this is a loaf pan for making meatloaf or bread. I'm not a bread maker.
Oh, it's a whole set of stuff.
Oh yeah, so I have cups. Oh honey, I'm showing them to you, so they're seeing it. I don't need. Oh, more cupcakes. Bundt cake.
Oh.
Ooh, regular cake pan.
Wow. Okay.
Oh, and a nice other brownie pan. These
Very
are all
nice.
silicone, so
I
these
like
are
that.
wonderful.
Are they?
These are keepers.
Nice.